Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech, where we dive into the most intriguing and provocative topics in artificial intelligence. Today, we have a fascinating lineup that includes Ray Kurzweil's audacious predictions about expanding intelligence a millionfold, Google's exciting AI features coming to Pixel 9, and the surprising effects of Google's AI overviews on mobile search behavior. Stick around, because you don't want to miss this. Let's start with Ray Kurzweil, the legendary futurist and Google's principal researcher. Kurzweil predicts that by 2045, our intelligence could expand a millionfold, thanks to nanobots. Yeah, tiny robots in our brains could make us super intelligent. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, Kurzweil has a history of making accurate predictions. In 2005, he said we'd have AI at human-level intelligence by 2029, and guess what? We're getting there. So, what are these nanobots? Imagine tiny robots entering your brain through the blood vessels, enhancing your cognitive capabilities. Kurzweil believes this will not only expand our intelligence, but also deepen our consciousness. These nanobots could make us see, think, and feel in ways we've never imagined. It's like upgrading your brain to have superpowers. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, I don't want that kind of invasion. But remember, people were skeptical about mobile phones too. And just look at us now. We can't live without them. According to Kurzweil, this AI integration will offer similar benefits and eventually become mainstream, just like mobile phones did. Speaking of AI integration, let's talk about Google Pixel 9. Our sources tell us that Google is rolling out some fantastic new AI features under the Google AI banner. One of these features is Add Me, which ensures everyone makes it into group photos. Imagine never having a photo where someone is missing again. It's like Google's best take feature, but on steroids. With Add Me, Google is focusing on what you want to capture rather than what you actually captured. This feature can swap expressions, merge multiple takes, and ensure you get the perfect group shot every time. It's making our cherished moments even better with the help of AI. Another new feature is Pixel Screenshots, which is similar to Microsoft's Recall, but with a privacy-focused twist. Instead of capturing everything automatically, it only scans the screenshots you've taken. It adds metadata like app names and web links, and then uses AI to let you search through them effortlessly. Imagine finding that one screenshot of a recipe or an article without endless scrolling. This approach is way more secure and user-friendly. With all the privacy concerns around tech, Google is making sure you're in control. And that's a big deal because privacy and security should always come first, especially when it comes to our personal data. Kurzweil also advises caution. He highlights that monitoring AI for safety is crucial. Sure, AI has incredible advantages, but we also have to be mindful of the potential risks. Google and other major companies are putting significant efforts into ensuring their systems are safe and aligned with human values. And hey, I want to hear what you think about all this. Are you excited about these new AI features? Or do they freak you out a bit? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your opinions really matter to me, and they help shape the kind of content we produce on this channel. Alright, moving on to our next topic, the effect of AI overviews on mobile searches. This study by Rand Fishkin shows that Google's AI summaries introduced in May led to a noticeable decrease in mobile search volume. People weren't too happy with these AI-generated summaries, especially when they were inaccurate or unhelpful. Google had to dial back the feature by the end of the month. Despite this, the frequency of these summaries decreased, but when they did appear, they were 25% longer and more detailed. Even with these improvements, the impact on search behavior was significant. For example, mobile searches fell, while desktop searches saw a slight increase. This decline in mobile searches is a big deal because mobile queries make up nearly 2/3 of all Google searches. If AI summaries are pushing people away from searching on their phones, it's something Google needs to address quickly. Users found these summaries less reliable, which shows that even as AI advances, it doesn't always hit the mark. Interestingly, while the number of mobile searches dropped, the users who did interact with AI overviews clicked on results at a similar or slightly higher rate than usual. This tells us that some people still found value in these AI-generated summaries, even if fewer people were initiating searches. This study is a wake-up call for Google and the entire search industry. Integrating AI into search results is not as straightforward as it seems. Google's initial approach had some flaws, but they're continually improving it to better serve us. As always, innovation comes with its own set of challenges and learning curves. For us in the AI and tech community, it's a reminder to be adaptable. SEO strategies might need to focus more on zero-click searches and diversifying beyond Google traffic. With nearly 60% of searches ending without clicks, we need to think creatively about how to capture our audience's attention. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you all that we're building a community here. And part of that is me trying to deliver high-quality content that matters to you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated. Your support means the world to me. Thank you so much for watching. I'm grateful for each one of you. Let's keep this conversation going in the comments. What do you think about the future of AI? Are you ready for nanobots in your brain? Or do you think we've crossed a line? Let's discuss. See you next time on All About AI Tech. Kurzweil isn't stopping with expanding intelligence. He's also making some bold claims about altering and enhancing our brains and our very existence. Remember when mobile phones were a luxury? Now, everyone has one. Kurzweil believes we'll reach longevity escape velocity by the early 2030s, meaning for every year we age, science will give us another year. It's like getting a health bonus every year. He even talks about creating digital replicas of ourselves. Imagine an AI version of you that can keep your consciousness alive. Kurzweil has already done something similar with his father by collecting everything he had written. Though not perfect, it's like having a part of him still around. This notion of digital immortality is mind-blowing and raises so many ethical questions. Kurzweil takes 80 pills a day to maintain his health and believes cryogenic freezing could be an option if things go south. It's a drastic measure but highlights just how seriously he's taking the idea of living forever. And, let's be real, who wouldn't want an extra shot at life if the technology was safe? Alright, before we dive into the next topic, I want to take a moment to thank you all for your amazing support. Your comments, likes, and shares keep us going strong. Let's continue this conversation in the comments. What do you think about Kurzweil's predictions? Are you ready to embrace these future possibilities? Now, let's switch gears to the Google Pixel 9 and its new AI features. Google has been revolutionizing our daily tech use with their AI, and the upcoming Pixel 9 series is no exception. They're introducing Google AI, which bundles all these fantastic features together to make your experience more seamless. One standout feature is Add Me, which ensures everyone is in the group photo. Ever taken a group pic only to realize someone was missing? Add Me fixes that by combining multiple shots and even adjusting expressions. It's going beyond just capturing moments, it's perfecting them. Next up is Studio, an app designed to make your screenshots more interactive. Imagine turning your edits into creative stickers or generating unique visuals to share. It's all about fostering creativity and making your visual content pop. Pixel Screenshots promises a more secure, recall-like function by only storing data from screenshots you take. Ever struggled to find a screenshot? This feature adds metadata like app names and web links, making your search quick and easy. The best part? It's all processed locally, keeping your data private and secure. Switching gears, let's talk about how Google's AI overviews have impacted mobile search behavior. According to a study by Rand Fishkin, when Google rolled out AI summaries for searches, mobile search volume took a noticeable dip while desktop searches saw a small increase. People weren't too thrilled with these AI summaries, especially if they were inaccurate or unhelpful. Mobile searches accounted for almost 2/3 of all Google queries, making this drop significant. If users are not engaging due to AI, it's a wake-up call for Google to refine these features. We're talking about something that affects worldwide search behaviors. Interestingly, the reduction in searches didn't completely wreck click-through rates. People who did engage with the AI summaries still clicked on results at a similar or even slightly higher rate. This tells us there is still some value in these AI-generated overviews, but they need more fine-tuning. For all the SEO and tech enthusiasts out there, this scenario is a big dialogue starter. We might need to adjust our strategies to handle zero-click searches better or diversify our traffic sources. With nearly 60% of searches ending without clicks, how can we keep our audiences engaged better? Remember, we're in this together. Your feedback is crucial for us, and it helps shape the content we create. So go ahead, like, share, subscribe, and let's keep innovating our approach. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I'm genuinely grateful for each of you. Let's keep this conversation going in the comments. What's your take on AI's future? Ready for nanobots or skeptical of digital avatars? Let's chat. This is All About AI Tech, and I'll see you next time.